Spring maintenance tips for your HVAC system. Dust gathers and air becomes stagnant when your home is closed up for the winter. A comprehensive spring cleaning improves the air quality in your home, allowing you to breathe better. Here are some basic guidelines for spring HVAC system maintenance. Check the air filters. Clear the area around the unit. Remove debris from the unit. Schedule a tune-up and maintenance service. A professional tune-up can identify problems before they spiral out of control and cause your HVAC system to fail. In Mount Vernon, Ohio, Cosby Heating and Cooling is the premier residential and commercial HVAC provider. Our high-quality services include new system installation, system repairs, and routine HVAC maintenance any time of the year. You can always rely on our qualified crew for timely and effective service. Call 740-431-4230 or visit our website at cosbyhc.com to schedule an appointment.